Unlock the world of AI, 5 free Harvard courses to master generative AI. Harvard released 5 free courses on AI. Great opportunity to learn generative AI. Here are 5 free Harvard courses to master AI. 1. CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Learn to use machine learning in Python in this introductory course on artificial intelligence. What you'll learn: graph search algorithms, reinforcement learning, machine learning. Link http://pll.harvard.edu/course/cs50s-introduction-artificial-intelligence-python/2023-05. 2. Data science, machine learning. Build a movie recommendation system and learn data science techniques. What you'll learn: the basics of machine learning, how to perform cross-validation to avoid overtraining. Link http://pll.harvard.edu/course/data-science-machine-learning. 3. High-dimensional data analysis. A focus on several techniques that are widely used in the analysis of high-dimensional data. What you'll learn: mathematical distance, dimension reduction, singular value decomposition and p-component analysis. Link http://pll.harvard.edu/course/data-analysis-life-sciences-4-high-dimensional-data-analysis. 4. Fundamentals of TinyML. Focusing on the basics of machine learning and embedded systems, such as smartphones. What you'll learn: fundamentals of machine learning, ML, fundamentals of deep learning, and more. Link http://pll.harvard.edu/course/fundamentals-tinyml. 5. A data science capstone. Show what you've learned from the professional certificate program in data science. What you'll learn: how to apply the knowledge to a real-world problem. Independently work on a data analysis project. Link http://pll.harvard.edu/course/data-science-capstone.